SEO goes beyond using well-chosen keywords and adhering to Google's core Web Vitals requirements, but rather blends high-quality content with accompanying aesthetics to help trigger and capture a user's attention. Images help in the following ways. Clarification of comparison. For instance, to show how traffic peaked over a specific season, you can use charts, graphs, or any appropriate infographic to present the information. Brand protection from copyright violation. These images create awareness about your domain, products and services, making them easily recognizable even on social media. While such visuals promote brand awareness, they also provide great opportunities to build backlinks by asking for credits. Sometimes Google provides featured snippets with text from one website, but images from a second website. A rich result positively affects your traffic and allows your site to win a featured snippet. Silent moves. Brands have gone viral for sharing memes and GIFs resonating with people. Use a niche-specific keywords while sharing your images and adhere to standard protocols such as reduced file size. Good visuals easily go viral and bring massive traffic without making a sound. That was step 10 on how to rank #1 in Google in 2023. Don't worry, there are more steps and I will be going through all of them. So keep your eyes peeled for step 11. If you want more great tips and advice regarding all things SEO, like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more content. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.